Hello, everyone. Welcome to your System Fixer. In today's video, I'll show you how to join the Windows Insider program in Windows 11. Microsoft's Windows Insider program gives you early access to new features, updates, and tools before they are released to the public. The program is open to anyone with a Microsoft account, and it works on physical PCs, laptops, and virtual machines. It's highly recommended to install Insider builds on a virtual machine or a secondary PC, which is the safest way to test without risking your main setup. For example, you can get the latest Windows 11 25H2 preview version before the official version is released. Okay, let's get started. Just right-click the Windows logo icon and select Settings. Go to Windows Update from the left panel and scroll down the right sidebar to choose Windows Insider Program. Click Get Started, and then link your Microsoft account as displayed on the screen. Now, we need to choose an Insider channel. The Canary channel gets the newest features first, but with the most risk. These builds are raw, unstable, and can break your system. Just best for advanced technical users. The Dave channel gives you early access to in-development features with frequent updates. Less risky than Canary, but still not stable. It's ideal for enthusiasts. The Beta channel is more stable and closer to what gets released publicly. A good balance of new features and reliability. Recommended for most users. And the Release Preview channel is the safest option to enjoy certain key features. Ideal for cautious users. Here, in my case, I take the second one. If you're not sure which to choose, go with the Beta channel. Then review the agreements for your device and click Continue. Now, restart your computer to apply the changes. Windows will enroll your device in the Insider program. Also, you can switch between Insider channels anytime. Just go back to the Insider settings and choose a different channel. And if you want to stop getting Insider builds completely, you can leave the program. Just expand, Stop Getting Preview Builds, and toggle on the switch next to unenroll this device when the next version of Windows release, or perform a clean install of the public Windows version. That's all. Don't forget to leave your comments, like the video, and share it. Subscribe to my channel to find out more Windows tutorials.